sun comes up, baby, I just wanna take it like that. Oh. Baby hair are growing on my head. Regularly. I got hair and clean underwear. Look at the hang time. I can put it in a bowl. I got hair. Oh, and clean underwear. No tell me say that a record. No sense. None. I'm not even laugh with you. How you have to do that?
Yeah, easy, yeah. Now be as well.
Me no in a bankrupt. Me no day a jail dash for the handcuff. Money in our pocket, you know me tank up. 6 out here, you know we rank prof. Hotter than a cup of coffee. Squeeze.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I look a mess. I look crappy.
I look fabulous.
But we're gonna be you can't just chill. I'm standing, guys. She's sitting. I'm gonna be doing her makeup blindfolded. I'm going to attempt to do it. I'm nervous because it's crazy to me.
Hey.
Oh my god. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna get started on this. So let go. You ready? You can't stop with it at first. You see it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just put this on. So
Don't blind yourself now, honey.
oh my god, I'm nervous coming in. I can't say anything. I feel so uncomfortable right now. So basically, I'm gonna just there's stuff on the table here. So I'm kind of just gonna feel. Ooh, I got the spoolie. Oh my god!
Don't mess up my hair.
This is rough. Okay. Wow. All right. Oh, hold on. Wait there. All right. Yeah, I think this is it. Me see me can't wind it up too far because your face will broke it, you know.
You're disrespectful.
No, me have to take precautionary measures. Come.
Man, don't touch my face. Come on, why you mess up my ear.
There, see?
Yes.
Hold on there. Hold on.
Hold on, mommy.
Who come up with the idea to do this? Alright, I feel like I'm feeling some ear this a while ago. Alright. No sir, this a Tasha. Wait there, what is the Alright, I'm going to conceal her brows now, guys.
Hello, man, you make that go in my ear now, cause if you do, it's war. Push it back down in the back.
Okay. Wait, I don't even. Yo, this is hard. This is tough.
Gotta say the thing tough.
I'm gonna do the top. Oi. Alright. Alright, you know, I'm gonna just do the bottom for now and come back later. I feel like I want more. Oi! Oh my gosh!
Here you go.
This is rough! Wow! Okay. This is the next eyebrow. Okay. Alright. I think I do this so. Alright. Okay, Suprema though. Yeah.
No indices.
Speed is up for me. From my I don't know people.
Oh!
So me tell you, nothing there.
You just sent it down.
Alright.
No, nothing there. Hey,
Ooh, your skin is smooth though.
yes, it is.
Wow. You guys are so cute little baby. Oh.
So I don't make my fake, yo.
No, but your face is so dark.
Hey, my nose.
That's so tiny.
So this is not part of the challenge.
Okay, wait. Now it's foundation time. Okay. Gonna put on her foundation.
Yeah, and I want ruler.
Yeah, girl. Tough and measure with me, have one.
And I'm mouth foundation, guy. Hey, take it easy.
And I think that's just enough for her face. What you guys think? So you push more, sir?
Yeah, pushing my mouth.
Oh, wait. Alright. I think that's blended. Alright, now I'm gonna give it a very simple look today. So now I'm going to set it. Alright, only if I can find the brush. Wait, no. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna take this today. I'm gonna go in there, so comb. Set the highlighted areas. Guys, I'm not think what is that brush I go. Oh, gosh. This is rough. Alright. I'm gonna give it a light, just light setting, nothing too heavy. Okay, that which part is? Oh, the cheek. Okay. Alright. Looking for the powder to balance out her face. If only I can find it. Wait the man. This hard, you know? No man, me can't bother. Me have to thank God for my sight, you know. All what I know. Them life are rough. Me can't find liquor powder now.
You touch everything on the table but it. You're right in the middle of everything where you touch so far.
Oh my god.
You are taking too long.
Oh my god. Alright, now I'm gonna set her entire face. And today I'm doing a very Oh my gosh, guys. I mean, I understand this struggle here. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little, just a tad bit on the eye. Feel like this is a fluffy blending brush. Alright, I just use the same powder, you know. No, I'm going to the eyeshadow palette. If I can't find it, wait them on. I want black me.
No, not black, you're not there over there, Sophia.
Oh, there we go. Alright. So, I'm just going to be very random, and I think you have a dark brown down here. Because yeah. Alright, I'm going to go with that shadow I don't get so. Let me see?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, your eye, you know. Close the eye now. make this work or not. Me I try do it in the best way possible. Alright, I'm gonna go to next I know. Alright. You know what I'm gonna do now, people? I put on some lipstick.
Want to glow?
Wait, what? Okay, alright, hold on. This is stress, you know. Gotcha. Gonna give her some glow. Glow, glow. Wait to know. So I'm looking for that brush. Alright, let me see if I can feel anything up here. Alright. We're gonna go in like this. Alright. And then we're gonna move on to the next cheek. Like your makeup now gonna say nothing if you don't have like a glow on it, you know? Feel like it would probably correct no for foolishness I'm doing.
You think? You think?
Alright, down here now. Alright, so now that we did the glow. Alright.
So cute.
Okay, let me just try to find this lipstick. Alright. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna be going bold. Alright. Mouth. Alright. What happened here? Wait, hold on. What happened?
You pushed it all up in my mouth.
But why your mouth open?
It wasn't open.
Sorry.
My teeth and everything is red. Okay.
Alright, your mouth closed now.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, wait. Are we your mouth there? I did say your nose. Wait. Alright. I feel like my grace is simple. Like, me know. Alright. Okay, guys. Alright, wait. The mascara didn't wait out yourself?
Hello, no, you're not me, no, my eye, no. You're not doing
I don't
it.
want blender, so I'm not going to do the mascara part. So I think that's it for your makeup.
Okay, go ahead and take off the blindfold.
Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Oh, Jesus Christ! What the hell?
Yeah.
But I didn't do too bad on the lips. I can't believe I got
So
so easy.
You pushed the whole stick through my lips.
But wait, that one here, I should have gone right to that crease. Wow.
I should have went on the brow over here.
Oh my gosh, guys. I can't, like.
I look like Pennywise. The clown from it.
Look at the concealer.
Yes,
Yeah,
my
this was a
darling.
fail. Big time fail, guys.
Look
Big
at the glow.
time fail.
The glow what she saw with that makeup for everything. Lipstick all
At
over
least
my
it went
nose.
to the right territory.
Listen.
At least the face popping, because from right here it looks popping. Like, it was definitely a fail. I know. Don't be like, so a big makeup artist. I was blindfolded. I tried. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I really have to wear a hat right now. I'm coming off the road and stuff, and I really wanted to do this challenge. So yeah. What to y'all?
May I show them a $1 million face.
Guys, let's know which other challenge you want me to do or us to do. Comment it down below. But that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.